Hey guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST, and I'm back with yet another female model drawing video. Now, before I start drawing today's girl, I've noticed that most of you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Also, don't forget to give this video a quick like while doing so. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And now that we've got that out of the way, let's start the video. So today I will be drawing Cathryn Lee, a super famous fitness model from Malaysia. She has over 2 million followers on Instagram, officially making her one of the most famous models within her country. She's famous for being multi-talented, as besides the fact that she's blessed with very stunning looks, she's also a classical pianist as well as a ballet dancer. You can find videos of her performances on both her Instagram and her YouTube channel. Don't worry guys, I shall leave the links in the description box down below. What I like the most about her are her eyes. They're very big and bright, and she's got these voluptuous lips as well, which overall make her look very feminine. She's also got very smooth skin, which makes her look very pristine. And her overall aesthetics remind me of hibiscus flowers.